Doing it for the vlog. Trip time. Indiana with the church. Hello, hello. Morning, morning. Morning, everybody. Morning, morning. Doing it for the vlog.
Don't get extra.
You see you? You have to get that seat, eh? Pastor.
Love the Uber, man.
So it goes sometime. Sister Deborah, hello, hello, hello.
CJ, what's going on? This is
What's up? What's up? What's up, brother? There? Might be the one still, yeah? I want you to know too.
Steven.
Man. Doing it for the vlog. Where you have it for the vlog? Where you have it for the vlog? You know, we're just waiting for the bus to move our vlog, bro. We have a set for the vlog.
Yeah, I will give
We have a set for the vlog.
They're trying to leave.
Brother Kenneth,
I know you were going to let it
taking a quick pit stop. We have a set to the camera. Oh, look, a sister right here. Quick pit stop. That's Pastor in the background. See if we can get something good to eat. Alright, vlog world. We just got here. And, you know, what you want to on Periscope on the phone. You see that brother here? He mad, you know? But we just got here. We're about to get off the bus. Go check in our rooms.
Let's just make it.
And see
Stay at work.
how it's going, you know what I mean?
Like, I was fucking.
Alright, vlog world. Mad deal. Just got off the bus, doing it for the vlog. I got my camera woman over here. Don't follow her on Instagram. No. Hey, let me see do the pin drop. Let me see do the jerk.
Alright, it's Pastor's turn.
Oh, come on, Pastor. Alright, vlog world, so we are in the room waiting to see what's going on. So the AC are run too cool, man. Hold on there.
It's just.
But yeah, you know, mad thing. And we just about to leave out and see what's going on in a minute. So hopefully it's fun. I'm excited for this weekend, so mad, mashed up. You don't know vlog world. Stay tuned.
In the words that we speak, and the things that we do, and the decisions that we make. We have been given great influence to guide our families.
I feel clean. What's that?
Fitness center, pool, restrooms. This is the gym. Mash it out.
Right now.
Couple workouts.
Doing a good workout.
Is it my scope? Vlog.
For the score.
Vlog girl. Just do it for the scope, me no do it for the
Hey.
boom.
Boom. Get it.
One thing. One thing.
Boom. Shall I some cash?
Alright, vlog world, so we just out here on the streets, you know what I mean? Dog, the man come. I don't know what I go on down there, so embassy, something I go on. The man come back? It's a wedding. Alright vlog, so it's time for us to go sing. I just changed, singing attire. Hopefully it goes good and you know, got take over and stuff like that, so let's go sing. What's up, man? Doing it for the vlog.
How's it going, man?
Going good, going good. So we walking backstage to go pray before the show starts. Vlog is the next day, and we just a chill right now. Church in a minute. Sister Sherry, I'm a sister. Hello, my mom. Hello, 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 hello. Doing it for the vlog.
Look at you.
Mom, I can't get 20 love. Man, what you got to say for the vlog? The vlog, man.
It's been a wonderful convention. I've learned a lot. This young man over here, he's destined for great things through my tutelage.
So, I don't know what I'm talking about on the part there. I'm just destined for great things. Doing? How you doing, sir? Good, good.
I got a feeling you
Alright, vlog, so we just got out of church. The OS church.
Powerful.
This dude don't know how church was because him get out of church early.
Dynamic.
Him not even stay for the worship. This dude was in church for 2 minutes.
Stop the lie on you.
Stop that lie.
Vlog,
What?
vlog, don't listen to boy.
Alright. Vlog world, you don't know all the things that already mad. Later, next time, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching the vlog. Subscribe, like, and share. Mad thing. Picture is not free. Dixon. Tell the man the picture is not free school.
What's your brother here?
Read for the school. Come elder. How was the experience in Indiana?
In India?
In Indiana, not
Oh,
India.
Indiana. It was great.
It was great.
The Holy Spirit moved, powerful word. People were receptive. People were on fire for God. And that's what's important.
I like that. I like
They
that.
leave here, they're going to go on the streets and they're going to witness for Christ.
Mad move. Mad move.
You got that $100?